Hey everybody, welcome to Harmon Garage. I'm Aaron, and for those that have been commenting and questioning on all forms of social media, I'm still alive. Look, right here. I guess I got a lot of explaining to do, but at the same time, I guess I really don't. I've been absent for a while, and if you guys watch the channel regularly, you know that I got divorced. You know that I have a little daughter that I take care of. And I've just had a lot of other stuff going on, and with my new setup, I guess you'd call it, I don't have the kind of funds that I used to have, so I require me making more money to do day-to-day life. And I don't really make any money off YouTube, so that means I have to make all my money off of other work. And when you film stuff while you're working on it, it takes like 5 times longer, which slows me down, which I don't get a lot done, and I don't get paid as often, and then I don't have money to live on. So I'm not crying, I'm not boo-hooing, I ain't asking nobody for nothing. I'm just letting you know. That's why I've been absent from YouTube, and that's just it. And my daughter, spending time with my daughter is the most important thing to me. And so there's that. Anyways, I wanted to check in with you guys. I've seen a lot of comments on Facebook and on YouTube, and people asking questions. If anybody knows me, if anybody knows where I'm at, if anybody knows if I'm okay. Yes, I'm here, I'm okay. And I'm gonna start making videos again. I'm not gonna put out the regular every week videos like I was doing before. And unless this really takes off and I start making good money off of YouTube, they're probably not going to be. I'm not going to do it to try to make money anymore like I was before. I'm going to do it for fun because I enjoy it. So I'm going to walk around, give you guys a little update, tell you what the channel is going to be like from here on out, because I'm going to change the format a little bit. And that's about it. But house, I'm not going to take you guys inside because I don't want to. House is done. I'm living in it. Forrest surpassed the channel. He got an engine, he got some wheels and tires, it's actually not called Forrest anymore. My little girl loves that truck and she named it the Green Machine, so it is now the Green Machine. But it got a motor, it's legal to drive, it's a good running, good heavy pulling truck, and I've been driving it almost daily, and it's turned out real good. I got this. It's an 89. It's got like a 96 front end on it, but it's an 89. It's not mine. It belongs to a friend, but it's got a 383 blueprint engine in it. And the person that worked on it before screwed it up really, really bad. So we're straightening it out. The Bo James has been sold. It's still here. I'm doing a little bit of work to it, but it's gonna go away. The Scout is still getting a little bit of work, and it's gonna be gone too, but it's still here. We still got all the pieces for Pop's Tina. Marshall's kind of in limbo. Got an Impala over here to work on. Got a 57 Chevy over here to work on. Might as well just go ahead and bring this up now. This channel is going to change. I've got a lot of things that I want to do, and I think I can do good at, and will be beneficial to me. So rather than only doing the car stuff or truck stuff that I've always done, I'm going to do some of those other things too. And one of the things that I really like to do is like all forms of art. I like drawing, I like painting, I like doing metal art. I'll show you guys a couple pictures here of some of the metal art projects I've done. I like doing wood working projects, a little bit of all that. So some of the art stuff that I do is going to be on the channel, which is still kind of mechanical and stuff like that, but some of the art stuff's going to be on the channel. There's going to be woodworking projects on the channel. There's still going to be the truck and car automotive stuff on the channel, and it's just going to be a little bit of whatever Aaron's doing is what's going to get filmed. So hopefully you guys will still watch it. If you don't, I'll enjoy making the videos, and I'm sorry. And when the car content comes up, I guess you can watch that. But I've got a graffiti bus now, and it's kind of funny. It's my bus that I've always had here. It's been on the channel. I got it running when I bought it on the channel and drove it home, and we moved it, and it's kind of just turned into storage. But it is storage, but it's also a graffiti bus. When I got my daughter, she loves coming out here with aerosol cans and painting on the bus. So that's what we do. Got some guitars I painted, and some hearts, and some books, and some fires, and got my name in graffiti lettering up there. There's some trees. She's painted smiley faces and her name, and just whatever she wants to paint, and whatever she wants to paint. But that's one of the things we like doing, is just art and projects and graffiti and whatever. Burnout truck has been sold. I'm still going to help the guy build it that bought it, so it's hanging around. Evergreen is for sale as it is. I'm not going to finish it. If it doesn't sell, whenever I get done with all my other projects, I'll probably work on it when I can afford to. But if it sells, it sells. If you want to buy it, reach out to me. Gentleman Jim's still here. That's a someday we'll get to it project. My little blue short bed's still here. That's a someday we'll get to it project. And I've been doing a lot of cleaning up, a lot of getting rid of stuff, just because I live here now and I just want it to look nicer. I got tired of doing my dishes looking out the front window and looking in a junkyard. I mean, I'm not against looking in a junkyard, but I don't want to live in a junkyard. So I've just been cleaning it up, making it nicer. The 454 SS clone is still here. It hasn't been touched since I worked on it on the video. Some people have asked about that. When I do some work on it again, it'll be on film. Pennywise is still here getting worked on. It hasn't had a whole heck of a lot done, I don't think, since I videoed, but it has had some. Motor's about ready to start. I just got done going through and cleaning up the harness. I got to put the harness in, hook up the fuel lines, and we can try to start it. RJ is here. RJ did not get sold, but RJ does not belong to me anymore. RJ is a truck that I originally got. This truck and built it for my nephew to be his first car when he turned 16. And it's been through some phases, and I've told you guys the story, and I bought it from him. But we've always said, between me and my nephew and my dad, we've always said that RJ's never going to leave the family. Like, that's a family truck. And I haven't been using it. I blew the head gaskets in it, moving some stuff into my new house, and blew the head gaskets, and it just kind of got parked. I have head gaskets for it, but we decided to go back with a big block in it because that's what we had in it before. And I've got a big block over there, so I gave RJ back to my nephew. He's down here right now. We're touching up a big block that came out of another truck that I had here. It's going to go in RJ. He's going to take it home. So RJ is going to be gone in 2 weeks. Anyways, I'm not going to take you guys in the shop because I'm embarrassed. It's a mess. But Victim is still back there. Old Jammer's still here. It needs to get worked on. Shorty's still back in the corner. Got the motor for Victim, got the motor for RJ. And that's it. So we still got plenty of projects. We still got work to do. I'm still alive and okay. Everything's going good. I just been busy and had priorities over YouTube. So I'm sorry to all the people that were watching my videos weekly and looking forward to them and been watching for a new video to come out, but it's life. Things happen, everybody gets it. Here's another art project I'm working on. This is kind of a billboard that I have out in front of my shop here. It had one paint scheme on it. Now I'm repainting it for something else. It's been up there for a few months, so I'll repaint it, put something else up there for a while. Another art project I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this old refrigerator right here and make it into a really cool gun cabinet. So I might make a video about that when I finally do it, but that's gonna be one of my metal art projects. Like I said, I do painting, I do metal art, I do everything. But anyways, I wanted to get a video out, tell you guys I still love you, I still care. I've just been busy. I'll make videos when I can, I'll put them up when I can, and hopefully you guys will keep watching them. So that's gonna do it for this one. And I don't even remember what I used to say to end the videos. You remember? I think it was just like, y'all have a good one, we'll see you next time. So y'all have a good one, we'll see you next time.